Hello, my friend. I'm Jack, and welcome back to the Shadowing English Room, your safe, calm place to practice English speaking, your daily moment to grow, your quiet space to build a confident English voice. Today, we are going to practice something very important: your English speaking, your voice, your flow, your clarity. This is not grammar. This is not vocabulary. This is speech training, a calm and gentle practice session to help you speak English more naturally, more confidently, and more smoothly. You don't need to speak perfectly. You don't need to sound like a native speaker. You only need to feel comfortable using your voice. That is our goal today. So breathe deeply. Relax your shoulders. Let your tongue relax. Let your mind soften. And let your English speaking practice begin. In this session, I'll speak slowly first, then naturally, and you will follow me, shadowing my rhythm, my tone, my pauses. This trains your mouth, your tongue, your breath, and your confidence. Let's warm up your voice gently. Repeat after me. I am ready to speak English. Pause. My voice is calm. Pause. My English is growing. Pause. Good. Speaking English is physical. Your tongue, your lips, your breath, your jaw, they all need training. Just like a musician warms up their hands, you warm up your voice. Shadow this softly. I am warming up my English voice. Pause. I can speak slowly and clearly. Pause. I am not afraid to make mistakes. Pause. Beautiful. Now, let's train English rhythm, because rhythm is the heartbeat of the language. Shadow with me. I am speaking slowly. I am speaking clearly. I am speaking confidently. Feel how your voice flows gently. Now we begin real speech training. Listen to a sentence, then repeat it with me. Slow. I want to speak English more clearly. Now natural. I want to speak English more clearly. Shadow. I want to speak English more clearly. Good. Next one. Slow. I am learning to use my voice with confidence. Natural. I'm learning to use my voice with confidence. Shadow. I'm learning to use my voice with confidence. Very nice. Now let's practice daily conversation sentences. Simple, natural, real-life speaking. Shadow slowly. How are you today? Now natural. How are you today? Shadow. How are you today? Good. Next one. I'm doing well, thank you. Natural. I'm doing well, thanks. Shadow. I'm doing well, thanks. Now let's practice quick responses, the small phrases that make your English sound alive. Shadow softly. Really? Wow, that's great. Oh, I didn't know that. That's interesting. Tell me more. I see. Okay, I understand. These reactions make conversations flow more naturally. Now let's practice longer speaking. Listen to the rhythm, then shadow it. Slow. Speaking English is easier when I relax. Natural. Speaking English is easier when I relax. Again. Speaking English is easier when I relax. Very good. Try this. Slow. I don't need perfect grammar to speak well. Natural. I don't need perfect grammar to speak well. Shadow. I don't need perfect grammar to speak well.
Excellent. Now let's practice confident speaking, sentences that strengthen your mindset while also training your pronunciation. Shadow these. I can speak English every day. I can improve with every practice session. My English voice is getting stronger. My confidence grows with every word. I am becoming a better English speaker. Good. Now let's practice conversation flow. I will speak naturally. You shadow with me. Hi, it's nice to see you. How's everything going today? I've been practicing my English. I'm trying to speak more naturally. I want to sound smoother and more confident. Good. Now let's practice connecting sentences, the skill that makes you sound fluent. Shadow with me. I'm learning English and I'm trying my best. I make mistakes, but I keep speaking. I practice every day and I am improving. I listen, I shadow, and I grow. I'm proud of my progress. Very good. Now let's train intonation, the melody of English. Shadow slowly first. I didn't understand that. Can you repeat it? Now natural. I didn't understand that. Can you repeat it? Again. I didn't understand that. Can you repeat it? Perfect. Next. Could you speak a little slower, please? Natural. Could you speak a little slower, please? Shadow. Could you speak a little slower, please? Your speech is becoming smoother. Now let's practice story-style speaking, a way to help your brain create longer sentences. Shadow with me. This morning, I woke up early and made a cup of coffee. I listened to English for a few minutes. I tried to shadow a short sentence. It felt difficult at first, but I kept going. Now I feel more confident speaking. Good. Again. I'm learning English step by step. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's hard, but I always continue. I always try. I always grow. Now take a deep breath. Feel how your speaking has already improved today. Let's practice one last set of powerful speaking lines. Shadow slowly, calmly, with confidence. I am a speaker of English. I can express myself. My English voice is becoming stronger. I don't rush. I speak calmly. I am proud of my practice today. My English is improving every day. One final shadow. I trust my English voice. Very nice. Your speaking today was strong, calm, and clear. Your voice grew, your rhythm improved, your confidence increased. Thank you for practicing with me. Thank you for speaking with me. Thank you for showing up for your English journey. I'm Jack, and I'll see you in the next calm speaking session inside the Shadowing English Room.